Hello guys, I'm Hel. Today's video, we are open two squishy dumplings for the first time, and I'm really happy. So first, we're gonna open is this one. Okay, I'm so excited. It's yung glitter! Wow, so cute! Wow, look at the glitter. Wow, it's so cute. I really like it. So this is the last one. So sorry guys, this is broken. So let's open it. Another glitter. Sa pan pink glitter. Tada! So guys, this is what I get. Bano? Okay guys. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. But make sure to like and subscribe please. So I will reach to 300 subscribers.